Hello everybody and welcome to my latest smart home video, which today is about pairing your much cheaper Ikea Tradfri bulbs with your current Philips Hue bridge, and this really is a game changer. For the purposes of the video, we're going to assume that your Ikea bulb is already at the latest firmware, which it needs to be able to pair with the Philips Hue system. But if you haven't done that, all you need to do is link the bulb to your Tradfri hub, which will then update the firmware on the bulb, and then you can unpair the bulb, and then you're good to go on to the next stage to pair with your Philips Hue system. Okay, once you've linked your Ikea bulb to the Ikea Tradfri bridge and the firmware has been updated, you then need to unpair the bulb so you can then repair it with your Philips Hue system. So to do that, you make sure the bulb's switched on, as we are here, and then you just switch it off and on 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you see it blink, goes bright, and that should be the bulb unpaired from the Tradfri system now. Now we can move on to the Philips setup. It's always advisable just to switch off the power to any current Philips Hue bulbs you have on your system, just to avoid any confusion before you pair your Ikea Tradfri bulbs. Okay, on to the next stage. We've now got our Ikea bulb connected up and switched on and within close proximity of the Philips Hue bridge. We also have the Hue Lights app running on the iOS device, and we go into settings and touch link, and you can see there we've got force bulb to join bridge. So all we're going to do now is we're just going to select that, and then it should start pairing. There it is, dimming, pulsing. And that should be it. If we now go into the Philips Hue app and light setup, and you can see at the top there that a new bulb has been found, colour temperature light 1. So that pairing process has worked. I can now change the settings of that bulb to suit my setup. Right, I've renamed the bulb now and I've placed it in the room of my choice, which is my bedroom. I'm in the Philips Hue app and I can now operate the bulb via the Philips Hue app, and that is now one Ikea Tradfri bulb costing a lot less than a Philips Hue bulb, working seamlessly on the Philips Hue system. Result. But we're not done yet, because what you can also do is you can pair the Ikea remotes with the Philips Hue system as well. So not only can you use the Philips Hue app to control your lights, you can still use your Ikea remote. And this is how you do it. Okay, first we need to unpair the Ikea remote from the Ikea Tradfri system, and to do that you just use the little button there and you press that 4 times in quick succession. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you should see the little light blink and then go out. So that is the Ikea remote unpaired from the Tradfri system. What we need to do next is now pair the Ikea remote with the Philips Hue bridge. And to do that we're going to use the touch link on the Hue Lights app again, like we did with the bulb, and we're using the little button again. So what you need to do, you need to hold that button in and then press to force the bulb, but in this case the remote, to join the bridge. So I'm going to try and do that with one hand. Press the button, press join, light comes on and goes out. That should be okay. Let's give it a try. But before we give it a try, we need to pair one final stage. Just pair the remote now with your Ikea bulb. So that's just the usual pairing process for Ikea related products. You just hold the button in and hold it near to the bulb, and you should see the bulb change like that. Flashes a few times and then goes bright, and that should be that. Okay, let's test everything out. So let's first try the Philips Hue app. Light comes on, dim, brighten, light goes off. And here's the Ikea remote. Light goes on, light goes off, light goes on, light dims, light brightens. And I think you can even do the scenes with this button. I don't know if you can see that. That's warm white, bright white, and I think that's just back to normal. So that works perfect. Light off. Oh. Light on. Great stuff. So there you go. That's how to pair your Ikea Tradfri lights and dimmer switch to your Philips Hue system. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.